दोस्तों क्या हाल है। आज की क्लास में हम बनाएंगे एक ऐसी टेबल जो सिर्फ चाय का गिलास रखने के काम नहीं आती। जी हाँ, आपके बोरिंग डाटा को वीआईपी प्रोटोकॉल देकर एकदम स्टाइलिश बनाएगी। तो अगर आप अपनी वेबसाइट पे डाटा को ऐसे सजाना चाहते हैं जैसे बिरयानी के प्लेट में आलू सजते हैं, तो ये वीडियो एंड तक जरूर देखें। चलो बिना किसी कोडिंग के मजाक में शुरू करते हैं और सीखते रहें कैसे बनाएं है ये HTML की कॉमेडी टेबल। So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, let's create our variable side nav button. So let's start and let's create it. So if you want to create it, first of all you have installed one text editor, any text editor you have installed it. So I have installed it on Visual Studio Code, which is very better, and this is available on the three favorite platforms like Mac, Linux and Windows. And if you haven't downloaded, so let me tell you how to download it. And come on to my channel and first of all subscribe my channel and see my all the videos, and come on to the playlist and see my full stack web development playlist. Now come on to the Google, search here Visual Studio Code text download, and it is available on your three favorite platform Mac, Linux or Windows. I know that many people are on Windows, so download on Windows. If you are on Linux, so download on Linux. If you are on Mac, download on Mac. So I am on Windows and I have already downloaded, so I did not download it one more time. And then you only want to do it, minimize it, and then create a one file, and the shortcut key of creating the file is Control Alt Windows N. So I am writing here variable. This is a very beautiful project, site nav buttons.html, and this project is very interactive and very beautiful project. Okay, and now let's create this file. And now first of all we write a doc type declaration, like we write a starting code first of all, and then let me bake, and then write here HTML, and then head. In it I write meta, and then I'm writing here viewport, and then content width equals to device slash width initl slash scale equals to 1. Now here I define style, in which we write our all the CSS code like you all know. So here I define my ID, and I write position absolute, left minus 80 pixels, transition I am adding 0.3 seconds, so it look very beautiful when we hover it, and padding I am giving 15 pixels, width I am giving 100 pixels, and text decoration means that when our underlines of the href our links will be gone, and text size I am giving to 20 pixels like font size, and text color I am giving into the white, and I am adding a border radius 0, 5 pixels will be 0. Now I am writing here my site nav, and I am adding a hover on it, and the hover I am giving to the left will be 0. Then I am writing here about, means when we hover it, so it will become on the left. And then I am writing to a 20 pixel, and background color you give your own any background color. I am giving my own block, and top should be 80 pixels, and the background color of it I am giving hashtag 2196f3. And then I am writing a projects, in which I am writing here top 140 pixels, and background color I am adding hashtag f4 4336. And then when I do this, so I write my last code of the CSS, and in this video there is not any JavaScript code, so that's why the videos will be smaller. And background color I am adding hashtag 555. So when we write over all the CSS code, so the browser will be looking nothing very beautiful, because in the browser nothing will be coming. Let me open my here. Okay, in the browser there is nothing will be coming, because we do not write our HTML code. To write a HTML code, first of all we write a body element, define div id my site nav a, and then href hashtag about, and here I write about. So now it is looking like this. Here you can see it, because we already started using a CSS. Okay, then we write here now. Here I'm writing href hashtag blog, and then I'm writing here hashtag id projects, and then I'm writing here href one more time, and then id I'm giving contact, and here I'm also contact. Save and then run. So now it is looking like this. Here you can see it. So but we add some unnecessary things. Okay, we add it. So let's add it. Div, these are unnecessary things. Okay, style I'm giving the margin left should be 80 pixels, and in the h2 I'm writing hoverable side nav buttons, and in the paragraph I'm writing hover over the buttons in the left side navigation to open them. Save. Okay, by the mistake I closed my file, so sorry for it. So now save and then run. So here you can see the hoverable side nav button has been coming, and it is looking like this, but his border radius is not perfect, so let's add the border radius. Okay, I write border radius, save and run. So now it is looking very beautiful, but the font is we do not add a font to it, so let's add the font. To add a font you write body, and font families will be Poppins. Any font you give it is your own choice. Save and run. So now it is like very beautiful. So here you can see we create one hoverable side nav buttons, and when we hover over the buttons in the left side navigation to open them. Okay, you can see it. So like that you can, these things you will be using your e-commerce website and all the big projects, these things. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, and you give the any color to your boxes. Okay, to your own choice, any color you give it. Okay, so if you enjoy this video, so like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, and come on to Google and search here, come on to Google and search here my channel by the name of CodeWithPk. And then when you click onto the CodeWithPk channel, so there please subscribe my channel. We are very near to 9,100 subscribers. And then when you come on it, so come on to the playlist, and come on to my full stack web development playlist. And when you come on it, so please access and bookmark this playlist, and then come on to my projects playlist. Okay, this HTML project from scratch playlist, and see my all the videos from it, and we completed 27 videos of it. Okay, so please see my all the videos of this also. Okay, but anyways, let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class of this type of videos. So now I give the outro of this video in the bigger screen. So let's come on, move to the bigger screen, and let's give the outro of this very beautiful and very nice video. So let's come to the bigger screen. Let's give the outro of this video. दोस्तों देख लिया, ऐसी VIP टेबल बन गई जो देखने वालों का होश उड़ा देगी. अब चाहे आप अपनी चाय की रिसीव का रिकॉर्ड रखें या क्रिकेट का स्कोर कार्ड बनाएं, HTML की टेबल है सबको सॉल्यूशन. अगर आपको मजा आया और कुछ नया सीखा तो लाइक का बटन दबा दें, वरना टेबल के नीचे डिसलाइक की रो ऐड कर दूंगा. कमेंट में जरूर बताएं कि अगली वीडियो किस टॉपिक पे चाहिए, और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना, वरना इंटरनेट का डाटा वेस्ट हो जाएगा. फिर मिलते हैं अगली मजेदार वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए हैप्पी कोडिंग और चाय एंजॉय करें. तो गुड बाय.